dear children. Next, what are the merits of five kingdom classification? See, generally each classification, for example, two kingdom classification when proposed by who was the scientist name? Carl Linnaeus. This kingdom classification they are followed by in 19th century. After that, this century is neglected because some of the natural character are there. There are five kingdom classification followed by merits are there. First one, this classification based on some of the criteria. For example, I told you, what are the cell structure, cell organization, mode of nutrition, then another phylogenetic in nature of or reproduction nature of organism. This among the basic of criteria as classified the basic principle. That's why it's called a main merits of five kingdom classification. First one, see that slide. The classification is based on the complexity, is the nature of cell structure and the organization of thallus. Cell structure is named by prokaryotic and eukaryotic in nature. Organization of thallus, unicellular or multicellular respectively. Then it based on mode of nutrition. See, what are the type of mode of nutrition seen? It's based on classification of before the slide, For example, autotrophic, another one is called eukaryotic in nature. The next, separation of fungi from the plant. See, plant kingdom including moreover is a autotrophic, but fungi do not have a possessing chlorophyll, so it depending on heterotrophic nutrition. So, is needed to separate that among their kingdom of plantae. So, the main another is separation from the plant of the fungi. Next one, it shows the phylogenetic of organism nature. So every organism there can attain to evolutionary relationship or gradual development of organism in nature of growth. That's why is to arrangement of these five kingdom classification. So these are main merits of the five kingdom classification. And next one, what are the demerits of classification of five kingdom? See, each classification to have as a merits and demerits. Consider as a demerits of there. What are there? The kingdom of Monera and Protista accommodate both autotrophic and heterotrophic nutrition. Cell wall lacking and cell wall bearing of organism making two different group of more is a heterogeneous. So main some of Euglena. See Euglena, Euglena it is a is possessing on a general two character. Like for example, is animal character and plant character, both of them. What are the plant character? It consists of chlorophyll, pigment, so can be synthesis by one food. It is a photosynthetic in nature of organism. Something, the another one of animal pigment seen in a ice part of austosandine are seen as Euglena. So it is Euglena, the possessing of two different character, plant and animal.